If you're new to red light therapy and want to use it right without wasting time or money, this video is what you need. I'm walking you through the exact home setup I recommend, what to look for in a red light system, and a beginner protocol that you can follow in just 10 to 15 minutes a day. This is the same approach that I use in my own wellness practice and what we recommend to every customer who's just getting started. So let's get into it. Your red light therapy results depend on three things: setup, dose, and consistency. Miss one of those three and you're going to lose the benefits. Red light therapy is also called photobiomodulation. It uses very specific wavelengths of light to energize your cells. Think of it like a targeted fuel for your mitochondria. That means less inflammation, faster recovery, and often a huge improvement in how you feel day to day. What makes this different from, say, sunlight or heat therapy is precision. Red light and near infrared light in the right range activate cellular processes without damaging the tissue or causing unneeded stress to the body. And you can do this all safely from home in minutes a day. We designed our red light systems to be simple and efficient with high impact. This floor stand is our go-to recommendation. It gives you flexibility to target different areas of the body, whether you're standing, seating, or lying down. No complicated mounting, no drilling into walls, just roll it where you need it and start your session. Whether you're treating your face, your joints, your gut, or going for a full body routine, this setup saves you time and makes it easy to stay consistent. This is the most efficient way to do red light therapy at home. No walls, no tools, just results. Here's the key that most people get wrong. More is not better. Here's the key that our panels are calibrated to deliver a therapeutic dose in about 10 to 15 minutes per treatment area at a distance of about 6 to 12 inches from the light. That's it. Go much over that and you're not increasing your benefits, you're actually starting to negate them. This is what's called the biphasic dose response. Red light stimulates the body within a certain range, but above that range, the benefits plateau and they can even reverse. The good news is, even if you do that, it won't harm you, but you're wasting your time and missing out on the real results. If you're doing red light therapy for much more than 15 minutes per area, you're wasting your time, and here's why. Here's your starter protocol. This is what I tell friends, family, and every new customer who wants to do it right. The beginner red light protocol is this simple: 10 minutes to 15 minutes per treatment area at a distance of 6 to 12 inches from the light. And repeat that 4 to 5 times per week. Now, as far as the light modes go, I recommend you use both red and near infrared simultaneously. And then always wear eye protection. You definitely need eye protection for infrared wavelengths. I also recommend it anytime you're even using red wavelengths if you're looking directly at the light. Start by focusing on your top health priority: joints, inflammation, gut recovery. You don't need to treat your whole body at once, but you can as long as you don't overexpose any body part. As your body adapts and you get comfortable, you can expand to longer routines by treating multiple areas. But always keep the timing per area in that sweet spot. Want to see real results from red light therapy? Stick to this 10 to 15 minute protocol. It works. So what can you expect? Most people start to feel subtle shifts after a week or two. Better energy, clearer skin, improved mood. By week 3 or 4, you'll likely notice reduced pains in your joints and muscles, faster recovery post-exercise, clearer skin tone and texture, and more stable energy and mood throughout the day. Track your progress using a journal. Log your symptoms, your energy levels, how your skin looks, your sleep. You'll start to see patterns. And if you're doing it consistently, 4 to 5 times a week, you're going to see results. Red light therapy results often show up by week 2 or 3, but sometimes people need 4 to 6 weeks to notice. But stay consistent, that's the key. A couple things that throw people off early. They're too far away from the panel. At 2 feet away, the dose is just too weak, so stay within 6 to 12 inches of your panel. Number 2, skipping sessions. This works like exercise for your mitochondria. We need frequency because we are retraining them. Number 3, going way too long. Remember, 10 to 15 minutes per area, more is not better. Just stick with the basics, trust the process, and the results will come. Red light therapy has helped thousands of people, including me, reduce inflammation, improve recovery, feel more like themselves again. If you want a system that's designed for simplicity, speed, and real results, check out our floor stand units that we offer. They're what I use, and we stand behind them. Red light therapy has helped thousands of people, including me, reducing inflammation, improving recovery, feeling more like themselves again. If you want a system that's designed for simplicity, speed, and real results, check out our floor stand units that we offer. They're what I use, and we stand behind them. I've also linked a free starter's guide below. No fluff, just what you need to get going. Thanks for being here, and remember, healing doesn't have to be complicated, just consistent.